This 16-gallon aquarium kit offers a complete self-contained system, making it an excellent choice for those new to the hobby or anyone seeking a streamlined setup. Its contemporary design features seamless curved glass on the front corners, providing an unobstructed and panoramic view of the aquatic environment inside. The integrated LED lighting system is powerful enough to support the growth of demanding corals and lush aquatic plants, a feature often requiring a separate, costly purchase. A sophisticated 24-hour timer allows for independent control over the white, blue, and color-enhancing light channels, complete with automated sunrise and sunset effects. A discreet filtration compartment is cleverly built into the back, hiding equipment like the quiet submersible pump and allowing for easy customization of filter media. Efficient water circulation is maintained through a system of dual water intakes and an adjustable return nozzle, ensuring a healthy environment throughout the tank.